Hey, what's going on, guys? I'm gonna go check the windshield, see how it is. Ooh, it's a windshield. It's a windshield, it's on. I don't know how good, but we'll see. I actually ended up like taking the tube and like running a bead up this after it was installed, and then using my finger to create like a solid line, smooth it out and everything. I think it's good. I don't know, I mean, we won't be able to tell until we have this car sitting in the rain, but in order to do that I need to mount the quarters, the rear, and figure out how to close this window. So I think I'm just gonna start the day by going to Lowe's and getting that other bolt, a little 25mm bolt. It's weird, but the bracket for the aftermarket bracket they designed, I don't even know if I'm gonna be able to show this to you guys, but so basically it's like the seat bracket is on top and the bolt goes underneath the seat bracket. So you have this much of a space to put a bolt in, and the OEM bolt is too long. So you actually have to buy a shorter bolt in order to put it through there. And it makes it really stupid, but I know I didn't tighten the bolts, but there's a bolt there, there's a bolt there, they're on. Just need to get that one. And then it's good. I don't know if I'll drive it. It's been like a really like weird type of weather where it will just kind of start like raining, so I don't really want to drive this. Not so much just driving in the rain, but just kind of, since it has no windows still. It does have a windshield though. For you guys wondering why I didn't do the Lexan, like I said, it was down to price really. That's all it really came down to, honestly, just price. I mean, this is $150 for a brand new glass. The Lexan would have been $160 and I would have had to DIY it also. They do sell Lexan like pre-formed and pre-cut for E46s, but it ranges from like $400 to $600 depending if it has like a special coating on it, because apparently like polycarbonate isn't the best for the street because it pits and it scratches very easily, and unlike glass you can't buff it or anything. For the quarter windows and the rear windows it's fine because rocks don't really hit that kind of stuff much, nor do you have to rely on seeing through it. The front windshield is a different thing. Race cars can replace their windshields pretty easily. They have the funds too and stuff. So for now I'm gonna stick to this. We'll see how it goes. If it gets cracked and whatever, then I'll probably do Lexan because I'll just be like, screw it. But until then, I don't really have a good reason to. I'm not sure if I'm gonna go ahead and install the quarters because I still wanted to do this stuff there, and I think it'll be easier to do it. I will definitely have to leave my rear off just for the sake of having that deck made that I was planning on doing. Hopefully I'm still doing that. I don't really know. For once I'm kind of running out of things to do. I mean, the interior's together, the seats in, the harnesses are on. I'm just gonna go swing by, get the bolt, and we'll see where it takes us. The body kit is about like, I don't know, probably a week, or I'd say a week and a half away. He said he's shipping it Monday or Tuesday, so it's Friday right now. So in 3-4 days he's shipping it. Expedited international, which takes 1 to 5 business days. So let's just say 5 business days, so the whole entire week it'll be shipped. So maybe by the end of the next week we'll get it. It depends how long it's at customs also, because if something's coming internationally, customs can have it up to 15 days. So if it is there for 15 days, that'll totally just kill it for me, and I won't get it for H2O. Hopefully it'll be there for a day or 2 or 3 or something. Hopefully it just gets passed easily. I don't really don't know. And on top of it, like I said, the rear and front bumper are cut in half to make the box smaller. So either way, I'm gonna have to spend a good day just like clipping the front and rear bumper together and fiberglassing the inside to make it permanent, and spend another day, I'd say, putting the full kit on and everything. One, you can kind of see it, black plate.
I like it. It's a lot better than the giant hole that was there that you could see inside of. And for this thing, I think I'm just gonna be lazy and take the OEM one. I removed the speakers and you can see I already sprayed half of it. But I'm just gonna paint it all like black. And that's really it. And just put it down here. And I think that'll be way better. Rather just have a painted black thing instead of having exposed metal. Because I think exposed metal in this case looks bad. Inside the interior I like it, but right where the rear window is, where all you see is like these things, and I don't like it. So I'm kind of preparing to do 1/4. As you guys know, my sponsorship with Condor involves me to make installation videos, so I'm going to make one separately for them. But first I'm just kind of going to do this on my own, install the 1/4 here, and then the other side I'll actually record for them, I guess. Probably how that's going to go, because I do want to just figure this out on my own. It sucks that it doesn't go all the way from one side to the other. It's either you kind of OEM mount it, but then there's not enough space to rivet it because it's supposed to use the OEM motor, which I'm not going to do. Or you can move it, and I'm to like barely cover these bolt holes. I think it like kind of just reaches here, but I can rivet here and here. So I guess I'm just going to go all along this, all along here, and like 3 rivets right here with sealer all around. And at least I can make some money back from these seals because they're worth like brand new $100 each, so I could just make, I don't know, sell both for like 50 or 100, I don't know. So guys, since I'm probably gonna get the 1/4 installed and the other one installed today, and even the rear window, I decided I'm probably gonna go to Skylar's tomorrow or after tomorrow to finally fix the stupid side exit exhaust where it's like ugly. Basically I'm gonna maybe turn it to 2 dual 3-inch pipes and have them come out at an angle so they can be slash cut and they'll be like oval tips. Probably have them come out like 1 inch or 2 out, just because once the side skirt's on, that'll be probably like 1/2 inch, so that's perfect. And yeah, I don't really know what else. I might, before I put the 1/4s on, maybe like bring this out of the garage, because I'd rather do the 1/4s outside, and I might just like drive this to the local car wash and vacuum the interior, because there's still little bits on the floor and stuff. Maybe get it cleaned up, I don't know, I just want to kind of drive it. Possibly the worst thing in the world I've ever done. I swear to God, the more stuff I do to this car, the more I think it's worse. So I got this on. This was hell. I made like 3 trips to a store. I was gonna originally use these giant big rivets, but some of them weren't reaching far enough because I wanted to get this corner to bend in, and that was like the beginning of my issues. As you can see, there's a hole there. I filled it up with rubber. It's the best I could do because you can't patch Lexan. And then these 2 rivets are big, and the rest are the other size because the holes were too big, and I snapped like 5 drill bits and got more and snapped those, and it was just horrible. But I finally found decent rivets that are like really long, so it catches on something no matter what. Come on, like, I spent so much money on this thing. It's $25. That's so much for something I'm probably never going to use again. So hopefully I can return it or something. But it's on, it's sealed. I tried to get the rivets as even as possible with what I could do, and whatever. It's okay. Or at least I think it's okay. I don't know. I think it looks good. The border is really nice OEM looking. I sprayed into the laser etching of the Condor Speed Shop logo thing. Kind of looks cool. I don't know. What do you guys think? It's been pretty horrible. Rachel's not actually even coming tonight because she's sleeping over at her friend's house. So I could just keep working on this forever. Probably just going to stream drifting games tonight though with you guys, because I haven't streamed in forever. And I like to stay up late playing games when I can. I don't know what else I can do. Or not what else I can do, what I want to do. I don't know if I want to put the rear on now. No, because I have to film that. Yeah, so guys, you're going to have like extra footage. Normally it's Monday through Friday, but I think you're going to get a video for this weekend for both of the days. Because tomorrow I think I'm going to drive this outside. So I'm really done for today. I can't explain the anger I've been through. Like, I mean, like, I was screaming, cursing. Like, I threw a lot of stuff at this roof, and I'm pretty sure I scratched it. Because I was really, really, really mad. It was horrible. Hopefully it actually seals. Hopefully it's sealed, whatever. Other than that, I really don't know what to say, quite honestly. I'm probably going to try to get up tomorrow morning early, Saturday. Like I said, tomorrow I'm going to drive to my friend Skylar's house to do the exhaust. So I'm probably going to try to wake up at like 8 or 9 and clean up this garage and roll it outside and record me putting on the other quarter professionally and record me putting on the rear window. And then I have a window switch that's going to arrive at AutoZone. Hopefully that's going to fix this window issue. Yeah, sorry I'm like seem so sad or mad or monotone. I'm really like tired and angry, I guess, from how little I got done today because of this. But I checked the standings. I don't even know why I check anymore, quite honestly, because it's like you guys can stop voting until Monday and we'll win. We're at like 1,000 something and the other guy's at like 20 votes. So I mean, I appreciate you guys. I'll notify you guys when the next stage begins against the next person. Maybe that'll be more of a competition, but I highly doubt it at this point. And the kit's supposed to ship on Monday or Tuesday, like I said, so hopefully by the end of next week or even the beginning of the following week. So I'm just going to wrap this up here, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Sorry, it was kind of like a bullshit episode, or day. But anyways, I'm going to go hop in the shower, eat, and then I'm gonna go stream with you guys for like 3 or 4 hours or something like that, because I feel like just laying back and having fun or doing something nice and relaxing for once. So I'll see you guys tomorrow.